Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. So as you see by the title in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these super tender, flavorful lamb rib chops. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So here I have 8 lamb rib chops, or I like to call it lollipop chops. And so I've already washed them, packed them dry. And so now I'm going to, in this bowl, I have about 2 cloves of minced garlic. So now to this bowl, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of this olive oil. And then also, I'm going to do add some dried rosemary. Let's say half a teaspoon. Also, I have some dried thyme. And now if you want to use fresh herbs, you can do that. But I don't have any, so this will suffice. So I did a half teaspoon of the thyme. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. Same thing, about a teaspoon. And then lastly, I'm going to add some salt. Okay, so like a teaspoon of salt. I'm not going to add all this. Oops.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Not get ahead of my time. Oh.
Okay, so our pan is nice and hot. Okay, so we're just going to let them sit and do their thing. And then after a couple of minutes, just turn them over. Alright, y'all, so let's flip these over. So these are going to go for like another 3 minutes. And also to this pan, I'm going to add some butter. Now, what really went well with this, if I had some garlic and herb butter. Alright, G Squad, so this brings us to the end of this video. I ended up pairing the lamb rib chops with a nice kale salad. You can have it with some homemade mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables. Pretty much anything will go well with these. And so, yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And as I always say, I appreciate you tuning in to see what your girl is cooking up in the kitchen. And if you haven't done so as of yet and you visited my channel several times, just consider subscribing. It's free 99. So anyway, family, Happy New Year to you and yours. I appreciate you, love you guys, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.